My name is Max Wallen, and I'm here to talk to you about the potential of offshore wind power, a topic that I'm very passionate about. Sustainability is a driving force in the world that we live in today. One major factor that will contribute to the sustainability of the Earth going forward is the ability to utilize renewable energy sources and abandon the usage of fossil fuels to generate energy. The adverse effects associated with fossil fuels have been well documented, and so it is critical that they cease to be used as soon as possible. The issue is that there has been a lack of reliable renewable energy sources that have been presented to fill the void. However, what I am here to talk to you today is about offshore wind power, a form of renewable energy that has enormous potential as an energy generator, but also minimizes negative impacts on the world we live in today. The concept of offshore wind power is very simple, as it follows the same procedure as normal wind power, except the turbines are located in a body of water, primarily oceans, instead of on land. The process that the wind turbines actually use in order to generate electricity is very simple. Wind passes through the turbines, turning the blades. The rotating of the blades spins a shaft inside the turbine, which is connected to a generator, which ultimately creates the electricity. Wind energy currently contributes about 3.5% of worldwide energy generation, but one estimation suggested that just by using areas where wind blew over 6.9 meters per second, wind power would be able to create the world's electricity consumption 40 times over. This is obviously a very idealized view, but it shows you just how much potential wind power has. The issue with wind power is the space that the turbines take up, and also the complaints people have about negative health effects from living close to the turbines. And that is where the beauty of offshore wind comes in. With the turbines being located in water, they are not taking up the remaining valuable land space that exists in many developed countries. They're also not located close to people's houses, and so there would not be complaints from landowners like there is with current land-based wind farms. This allows the land to be utilized in other productive ways, such as for farmland, while also increasing the productivity in the water, with it now containing wind turbines. Using data that was collected by Bloomberg involving current offshore wind capacity, projections were able to be developed for the potential of offshore wind, with the results showing that offshore wind would be able to contribute 14% of the world's energy supply in 20 years if it is continually developed and implemented. This demonstrates the vast potential of offshore wind power as a key renewable energy supplier in the future. Overall, the need to find renewable energy sources is extremely pressing, and offshore wind is a solution with high potential and minimal drawbacks, which is exactly what the world needs right now. Thank you for your time. I hope you consider offshore wind going forward.